be telling you how we can make use of these tools. So we'll start with the most easiest one, card. Okay. So everyone please pay attention now. Okay. I'm just clicking on card. If you all can see the cursor is at card. I'll click on this card, and as I click on this card, automatically the card appears in the canvas. This is actually what we call as canvas. ठीक है? तो हमारे canvas पे कार्ड आ गए. Now what we'll be doing is, okay, sir, आप इस विंडो पर हैं? आप कैनवस में सर कहीं पे भी क्लिक करिए and just click on card. हाँ मैम, आपका कर्सर उसी पे होता है. अच्छा, आप किसी भी विजुअल पे कनेक्ट करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये दो कार्ड हैं. नहीं, एक ही बनाने हैं, तो मैं सर को बताने के लिए बता रही हूँ. डन. अभी इस कार्ड पे we will be adding. Okay. I'm sorry, we just missed one important thing. What if we want to change one of the sheets which we have already transformed? अभी उसमें फिर से चेंज लेकर आ रहा है. फिर क्या करेंगे? कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can do that. So if we have transformed some data and we want to transform it again, can we do that? Yes, we can do. How we will be doing that? Let us see the steps. Okay. So this is my transform. Just a second. Okay, this is my actual cost sheet. What I have done is, अभी आप लोग इस विंडो पर हैं. Currently you are in this window. This is a visualization window. Okay, and I am going to the data view. So I am just clicking on data view, and I am clicking on planned cost. ठीक है? Planned cost पर हम गए, और planned cost पर जाने के बाद हम चेंज करेंगे. In fact, planned cost पर हम जाएंगे, and we will click on edit query. I repeat, planned cost, right click, and we will click on edit query. वापस से उसी शीट पर आ गए हम. Now, once this table is open, we will be renaming the total to budget. तो ये जो total है, yeah, sure. सब प्लान कॉस्ट ये दिख रहा था. राइट क्लिक, एडिट क्वेरी, okay. Once you click on edit query, this window will be open.
मुझे तो मैम डेटा में नजर नहीं आ रहा है, ऐसे ही कर दिया जैसे आपने बताया.
हाँ, अभी नजर आ रहा है ना सर?
हाँ, अब नजर आ रहा
है.
आफ्टर दिस स्टेप.
अभी just because we wanted to let you know कि भाई चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, तो just we'll make a small change. टोटल को रीनेम करेंगे बजट. And now what will be the next step? Close and apply. So close and apply. Done. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ पे दिख रहा है टोटल बजट हो गया. Now once again we'll go to the report view. ठीक है? You all have added this card? Yes. Okay. So we will click on this card and I'm going to planned cost. अभी ये arrow दिख रहा है? I'll click on this arrow and I'll just click on this budget. I'll check this budget checkbox.
प्लान कॉस्ट
वो मैंने करेंसी चेंज कर रखी थी. बता दूंगी कैसे करनी है, मैं भूल गई हूँ. I'll just let you. It just slipped from my mind. You can change the currency from dollar. I'll let you know. Done? You all are getting the budget, right? Now, on this canvas, just click on the blank space, and we will be clicking on slicer. Slicer is here. You can see that.
कौन से होते हैं?
Sir, third row. Sorry, third last. Third last.
Fifth row and second column. Slicer is there. उसपे click करो.
And you can move this. See, everyone, you can move it to any place wherever you want.
You can resize it
Yeah.
also.
You can resize it like this. Okay?
हाँ.
So I'm just moving it here. अभी क्या करेंगे? Actual cost पर जाएंगे.
वही जो arrow है
Arrow है, उसमें click करेंगे. And we will be clicking on activity name.
activity name select.
Done? Okay. Now, everyone is at this window?
Yes.
Now everyone please pay attention. Now I am clicking on this civil works. But my budget is not changing. I am clicking on this foundation. Again my budget is not changing. I am clicking on slabs. My budget is not changing. It's happening, right? And we want it to change.
Yes.
Right? We want that when we are clicking on the slicer, any of these activity names, the budget should also change. So that is not happening because these two are not linked together. So there comes the concept of data model.
Data model.
Okay. Now it is very important to understand that when we are creating the data model, we are basically connecting two separate data sets. And these data sets need to have something in common. Right? Then only we can connect these two databases. So if you
For
remember the
example,
concept.
in our case, we have enrollment number which is common. In case if we put enrollment number in every sheet, then we will be able to connect all the sheets.
For example, we have a result data and we have a student data. Let's say we want to connect both of them. So there is only one thing with which we can connect it, that is enrollment number.
Because it is unique. Other things cannot be unique.
Right? So whenever we are connecting the two data sets, 2 or 3 or whatever data sets we are connecting, it is very important that we need to have that common factor. Right? Now if we compare these two sheets, so I am just clicking on this model view. I just click here, model view. So I hope you all are at this window. Okay. Now in this model window, there is one column in both the sets, in both the sheets. Activity ID will be one thing. See, usually we call these columns are primary key. If we talk in terms of databases, these are termed as primary key. Now the primary key has a property that all the values will be unique in that particular data set. I mean in that particular column. So these two different data sets are actually having one column in common, and that is activity ID, and that will be unique. So what I'll do, I'll connect both of them, both of these data sets. ये दोनों data sources को हम आपस में connect करेंगे with the help of that one column. अभी connect करने के लिए क्या करना है? Please pay attention. I'm just selecting the activity ID of planned cost and I'm taking it to the activity ID of actual cost.
सिर्फ उसे drag करना है आपको.
Select करके drag.
Plan cost से select करिए.
Let me repeat it once again. Activity ID plan cost की आप ले जाइए actual cost में. As you drag it to that place, this window will open and it says that we are creating a relationship I'll just click on OK. Okay. So if you can see, this relationship has been created. Now these two are connected. Okay, done? Let us wait for Pranati ma'am. Done, Pranati ma'am? Okay. So once again I am going back to the report view. Now once again I'll click on civil works and we'll see whether the budget changes or not. Change or change. It is changing. Which means we have connected these two data sets. Right? अभी किसी पे भी click करोगे, you will see all these are changing. ठीक है? Unselect करने के लिए we can click on this clear selection. ठीक है? Clear है? All clear. All clear. Like this, huh? Okay. Okay. Let us beautify our data, right? So click on the canvas. Click on the canvas. You will see this format your report page. अभी आप इस पे क्लिक करके किसी भी कार्ड पे क्लिक करके आप इधर क्लिक करोगे तो you will get a different window. That is the reason I am asking you to clicking on the empty space of the canvas. So click on empty space and you will see this format your report page. ठीक है? अभी क्या करें? कैनवस बैकग्राउंड डालूं? Yes. कैनवस बैकग्राउंड, कलर ब्लू चूज कर लेते हैं. ब्लू इज अवर फेवरेट. ओके, कलर क्यों नहीं आया भाई? ये वाला ब्लू नहीं फ्लाई होगा. अरे आ नहीं रहा है. अच्छा सॉरी. ओके ओके आई एम सॉरी. कैनवस बैकग्राउंड से वॉलपेपर से. प्लीज गो टू वॉलपेपर. नीचे नीचे कैनवस बैकग्राउंड के बाद है वॉलपेपर. ठीक है. एंड चूज मेरा वाला ब्लू. ये वाला ब्लू. ये वाला ब्लू नहीं है. एग्जैक्टली. ओके. प्लीज गाइड मी विद द कलर. Fifth one. This? इससे ऊपर वाला. सेट कलर्स में. ये वाला मिलेगा. सर मैम प्लीज इसी से काम चला लीजिए. ओके मैम. Okay. So we can change the canvas का size. We can, if you want, we can resize it. So canvas settings में गए. We can go to. This is just for your information. In case you don't want to change it, you can leave it like that. So canvas settings में जाके, it is not required. If you want, you can change it. तो यहाँ पर गए, custom में गए. We can change the height and width of the canvas, right? And let's say I want to rename the canvas. तो अभी वो कैसे करेंगे? पेज इंफॉर्मेशन पे जाएंगे. पेज 1 आ रहा है. यहाँ पर इसको डिलीट करेंगे and we will say let us write BCIG slash. Okay. So you can see the name appears. Okay. So,
but it is still coming as untitled. Like we
वो
have
तो
written
save
before
करेंगे.
करेंगे.
File में save.
see, here it is done. Okay. Okay. So once again, let us go back to add data to your visual. We are back to this visual screen. And this is actually the report view. And now what we'll be doing is we will be designing, adding few more cards. So first let me drag it down and अभी मैं इस कार्ड को कॉपी कर रही हूँ. So this is just to let you that we can copy the cards also. So right click, copy.
Or you can use Control C and Control V also. That will also work.
Copy visuals.
Copy paste.
Copy paste,
जो
no.
करते हैं सिंपल
Okay.
कर सकते हैं. बस उस कार्ड को सिलेक्ट करिए Control C and
Done, ma'am.
Okay. And the other way of doing that is,
Control C
the other way of doing that is you can add these cards. So कहीं पे भी blank space में क्लिक करिए और कार्ड पे क्लिक कर दीजिए. ठीक है?
कैनवस पे कहीं क्लिक
हाँ.
करिए आप.
Done? So I have added these 4 cards. Okay. So you all are with me? Yes. अभी second card में I am unchecking this budget and I am checking this plan cost.
Please come again.
Okay. Second card पे, this is the second card. This is the second card, right? Second पे, earlier it was budget. Now I am unchecking it. Budget को uncheck करा मैंने और plan cost पे check करा. ठीक है? तो plan cost आ गया. Third card पे
Ma'am, my plan was supposed to come at 2.5.
आपने स्लाइसर में कुछ चूज करके रखा हो. क्लियर कर दीजिए स्लाइसर. थर्ड कार्ड से आई एम एडिंग एक्चुअल कॉस्ट. अब इधर से बजट हटा दीजिए, फिर से अनचेक कर दीजिए एंड जस्ट चेक ऑन एक्चुअल कॉस्ट का एक्चुअल कॉस्ट. जिसकी भी वैल्यू में चेंज आ रहा है, डिफरेंस आ रहा है, दे मस्ट हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन एनी ऑफ दीज स्लाइसर ऑप्शंस. तो आप इसको क्लियर कर दीजिए. यू विल गेट द सेम.
Ma'am, how to clear that slicer off?
Okay.
यहाँ जाके?
मैम ये इरेजर देखिए, छोटा सा एक इरेजर नजर आ रहा है, राइट? क्लिक ऑन दैट.
Clear selections.
ठीक है?
Yes.
डन?
यहाँ पे.
ओके. आर यू ऑन विद मी? Okay. Fourth card पे we will be creating a DAX. Now the DAX we will be creating is overrun. Overrun is DAX is data analysis expression. So DAX is basically, we'll be creating a calculation, a formula, and we'll be adding that particular data in the data set जो भी हमने बनाए हैं planned या actual में से, and then we will add that into a visualization tool, right? So fourth card पे we will be creating a DAX. So the next step is we'll be